and astronomers say they're unlike anything they've seen before.
Scientists just discovered something that shattered everything we thought we knew about black holes. A supermassive black hole, millions of times more massive than our sun, was caught red-handed devouring a star. But here's the terrifying part. This monster wasn't where it was supposed to be. It was wandering, alone, in the darkness of space. For the first time in history, we have proof that rogue supermassive black holes are real. And there could be up to 10 of them hiding in our own galaxy right now. In 2024, the Zwicky Transient Facility detected a massive burst of light from a galaxy 600 million light-years away. They called it AT2024 TVD. At first, astronomers thought it was just another supernova. But when they analyzed the light spectrum, everything was wrong. The emission lines showed something horrific. A star being ripped apart piece by piece. This was a tidal disruption event, when a star gets too close to a supermassive black hole and is literally torn to shreds by gravitational forces. But here's what shocked everyone. This wasn't happening at the center of the galaxy where black holes are supposed to live. It was occurring 2,600 light-years away from the galactic core, in what should have been empty space. Emergency observations with Hubble and Chandra X-ray Observatory confirmed the unthinkable. There was a second supermassive black hole in this galaxy, 1 million times the mass of our sun, completely invisible. No glowing disk, no jets of plasma, nothing. It had been hiding in the darkness until that one moment when it devoured a star and exposed itself. AT2024 TVD became the first optically discovered wandering supermassive black hole, a cosmic breakthrough. So how does a supermassive black hole end up lost in space? The answer lies in galactic collisions, some of the most violent events in the universe. When galaxies merge, their central black holes don't immediately combine. They spiral toward each other in a deadly dance that can last hundreds of millions of years. But sometimes, this dance ends in exile, the gravitational kick. When two black holes finally merge, they emit gravitational waves. If these waves shoot out asymmetrically, they can literally kick the merged black hole out of the galaxy at 4,000 kilometers per second. The incomplete merger. Sometimes a smaller galaxy gets absorbed, but its black hole never reaches the center. It gets trapped in the outskirts, waiting in the darkness. The three-body chaos. In rare triple mergers, three black holes create an unstable system. Eventually, one gets ejected, becoming a cosmic exile. Here's the terrifying truth. Our Milky Way has absorbed dozens of smaller galaxies. Each merger could have created wandering black holes. Computer models suggest there could be 1 to 10 rogue supermassive black holes in our galaxy right now. We just don't know where they are. After AT2024 TVD, finding rogue black holes became urgent. But how do you hunt something that produces no light? 3 revolutionary technologies are changing the game. This facility achieved first light in June 2025 and will photograph the entire southern sky every few nights.
The Vera Rubin Observatory is in Chile and uses the world's largest digital camera.
If a rogue black hole ever interacts with anything, a star, gas cloud, even a comet, Rubin will catch the flash. It's designed specifically to find events like AT2024 TVD that happen far from galactic centers. Launching in 2035, this space-based detector will use 3 spacecraft in a triangle 2.5 million kilometers apart to detect gravitational waves. Even invisible black holes warp space-time. LISA will hear them moving through the darkness. Machine learning algorithms now scan billions of data points looking for gravitational anomalies. Stars moving slightly off course, light bending around nothing. These digital astronomers can process more data in seconds than human scientists could analyze in years. Let's address the obvious question. Could a rogue black hole threaten Earth? Here's the truth. Space is unimaginably vast. Our galaxy spans 100,000 light-years. The probability of a wandering black hole coming near our solar system is extraordinarily small. Even if one were heading our way, it would take millions of years to arrive. we'd detect its gravitational effects decades or centuries before any danger. The real significance isn't about threats, it's about understanding. A T-2024 TVD shattered our basic assumptions about galaxies. We now know multiple supermassive black holes can exist in one galaxy. Some galaxies might have no central black hole at all. The universe is far more chaotic than we thought. Each wandering black hole is a fossil from ancient galactic battles, carrying information about how the universe evolved. The discovery of rogue black holes reveals something profound. Our universe is alive with invisible forces. Right now, supermassive black holes could be drifting through the space between stars, cosmic wanderers carrying the scars of billion-year-old collisions, some racing through intergalactic space at thousands of kilometers per second, others slowly orbiting in galactic outskirts, waiting for their next encounter. This is just the beginning. The Rubin Observatory could find hundreds of wandering black holes. Lisa will let us hear them moving through space. AI will discover patterns we never imagined. Each discovery will reveal more about how galaxies form, how black holes shape cosmic evolution, and how the universe transformed from the smooth early cosmos into the complex structure we see today. The next time you look at the night sky, remember, between those points of light, in what appears to be empty space, there may be giants wandering, invisible sculptors of cosmic evolution, remnants of ancient battles, cosmic historians carrying the memory of the universe's violent youth. And that's not terrifying. It's absolutely incredible. A T-2024 TVD didn't just reveal a wandering black hole. It showed us that the universe still has the power to surprise us. Every time we think we understand the cosmos, it reveals another layer of mystery and wonder. These invisible giants remind us that we're explorers in a vast, largely unknown universe, and the best discoveries are still ahead of us. What do you think? Could there be a rogue supermassive black hole drifting through our galaxy right now? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like button if this blew your mind, and subscribe for more cosmic mysteries. Until then, keep looking up. You never know what invisible wonders are lurking in the darkness.